What's up, my friends? Welcome back on this rainy Thursday evening. Well, at least it's raining here. Today we will be tying this little STF shrimp, which is one of the first patterns I ever learned to tie. So before we tie this up, I just want to show you guys this here little cool thing. As you know, I was tying flies at the fair last weekend, and I had this made, or the guys over at Arex and Fly Fish Europe had this made for me. Give me a sec. Look at this, so nice. Got the Arex logo on here. Got my own logo on here as well, and my name. I'm going to sleep in this, you know. I'm never taking this off. Thanks again, guys, for making it happen. And to all you other guys, I know I said I wanted to make a vlog from the fair. I did not manage to make a vlog, but I did film a bit and I did shoot some photos, and I am working on a small sequence for you guys to watch. Hopefully I'll have that done by next week. So without further ado, let's tie this little shrimp. Okay, let's get this one done. The hook and the vise is from Arex. It is the NS 156, but you can tie this on any hook you like. I just think this is a really nice hook for shrimp flies. Get a good layer of tying thread on here if you're using a thin one like the one I'm using here. And if you want to know, this is the vise 50 denier. Best damn thread I've ever used. Get the thread back to between the hook point and the barb. Grab some fluorescent orange dubbing. In this case, that is Angora goat. Then you want to make a small lump here. Just like that. Might want to brush that out a bit. Just like that. Get some STF dubbing, hence the name STF shrimp. Get some more on here. Brush this up as well. As always, I like to use a bit more time on the head part, because that is what makes it look like a shrimp. Like that. Get some more, just a small amount. And then I want to line it up like this by pulling the fibers, placing them on top of each other again, like this. So all fibers are aligned. Place that little bundle on top of the hook. It's looking good. Tie this a bit further down around here. Cut this off. Grab some more dubbing. Make a ball here. This is just for something where the eyes can rest. Brush that out a bit. Like that. Now you can use these easy shrimp eyes on this one. It'll work just fine. But I like to make my own eyes. So that's what I'll be using here. Whoops, and I cut the thread. That wasn't very smart. Let's see if I can save this. Yes. I guess that makes the the video a bit more authentic. There. Clean this up a bit, tighten that up. The other side. Make sure they have the same length. That's looking pretty decent. Looking like this now. Get the thread all the way back to the eye of the hook here. Grab some dubbing. Work your way up. And it looks like I forgot the rib, so I will just tie that in now before I cover up the entire shank here. Onwards. Don't worry that this is looking quite messy at the moment. We will correct that. And then just slowly work your way down again. Remember to taper the fly. This. Make a little room down here for a shellback, or in this case I will be using dubbing to make a shellback on this one. And again, you want to align the fibers like this. That leaves you with a bunch looking like this, nice and straight. Measure it out a bit so it will be a bit shorter than this you tied in at first. Get that on there. Secure that. Now grab your rib. Get that first turn in. Looking good to me. Now if you want, you can make a small tail on this. Let me show you what I mean. Get this rib off here. See this long? If you cut it here, kind of uneven. It leaves you with a cute little shrimp tail, which you can lift up by the water and put in your tippet. I kind of like it. So make a whip finish. Let's make two just for the sake of it. Get off the thread. And now comes the fun part. Fold this back a bit, brush out this dubbing here. so you don't have that annoying gap. Flip the fly over and really brush out that belly. The sides as well here. Just be mean to it, nobody's telling. And that there, ladies and gentlemen, is the STF shrimp. Yep, that was it. As you can see, a pretty basic, pretty fast tie. And to be honest, you probably don't need other shrimp patterns in your box than this one, because it is just hella deadly. So that was it for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to hit that subscribe button. Also hit the bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos, which is each Thursday at the moment, and I will see you guys next week.